What's this? Hang on, I'm trying. It won't start. See you later. Sold trucks at mid-afternoon, sold trucks at midnight. This is the first at 5 a.m. D-Bell's truck is headed to Utah. This is a weird sight.
How you doing, neighbor? How you doing?
Like how you finally show up with this thing and I don't have any machine here. 290's not here. Yeah, I know. The 080's not here and the alien rig's not here. I got the, Cabelco if you really want to try to battle. Yeah. Yeah. You pulled my boom off. Wow. Anyway, Tavit is here with his little truck. Looks like a two-wheel drive truck with a slight sag from a 310 on there, with the skid steer bucket that goes on the end of his 310. Anyway, we're just gonna do a simple operation today because that was the easiest way to compare a machine side by side without digging for us. All of them dig, but I just want to see what they lift. So we're gonna go make a little video with those concrete blocks and speed and all that. I'll get some gloves when I get done filming with my cold water and help you. Yeah, Prius, real nice, real nice. I know you greased it, but it doesn't sound like you did.
I swear to God I did. I greased everything. It's all the damn dirt. DG makes things sweet.
On a serious note, this is actually a pretty big freaking machine. I went over to his house when he first got this thing. I think he's been saying it's a 25,000 pound machine. Quick look, judging by the trailer, which is 102 wide, this thing's really, really close to that. Probably a solid 100 wide. Freaking legit excavator in its size. Still hauling on a gooseneck. Yeah, pick that huge culvert up. Just leave it there. Oh no, we're done having fun. Let's get real with it. Like I said, this is just an even test. Use the same blocks for each machine. Digging, force, and all that stuff, that's a mathematical calculation. The type of soil and everything's going to change. So you never get really a straight up, accurate kind of reading. And this machine is not a 308 or a 309, which would have been the same as a 080 or a 290. This thing's actually quite a bit bigger. 4,000 or 5,000 pounds at least. So I just want to see how well this thing handles with 2 blocks. Yeah, 1 block, it's... And yes, real nice thing about these machines, and we do have a like almost 50,000 pound one of these that has a blade on it, which is like an outrigger. I do have a video coming with the 080 versus the 290 on this. You just have to wait and see. Take your guesses right now on how the 080 versus the 290 fared battling these blocks. It's got the extra counterweight on the back, which the whole back end of it is pretty much a counterweight up the whole back end and all that. Ooh. Yeah, safe to say it has zero trouble moving 1 block. Depending on the material they use, either straight concrete, or that one over there has got a slight mixture of brick. They'll weigh different, between 3,000 and 4,000 pounds. So you can say 7,000 for two of them, just to take an average. Dump the bucket a little bit more and go in more at the thumb. There you go, right there. Try to square them up a little bit more so they don't have that gap in the middle.
Okay.
Because there's right down in the bottom, there's just that little gap. Dude, it lifts better than other ones.
Yeah.
But if it don't lift too, oh no, 310.
That's just wrong bucket.
You gotta have your digging bucket. That's what those other ones had. There's your photo. That's it. Dude. Turn your turbo on.
There is a turbo on this thing. I've never used it before. I don't even know how the hell it works.
Maximum hydraulic juice bumper. Put your DG into it. I mean, it's holding them very awkwardly, so it's retaining. I think they're moving.
Not bleeding off. Well, it will over time.
Oh yeah, definitely, but dude.
I don't want to go higher than that.
We'll go out on the stick.
It's bleeding off right now.
Yeah. Try going out on the stick. Just give her a run. Oh. Dude, that's still pretty impressive for how much weight that is.
6,000 pounds?
I say 7. Yeah. But you think generally if they're going to give a reading with from factory on how much you can lift, it doesn't include thumb, bucket that just like pins out there.
Yeah, well, like
Deadlift with nothing.
The thumb weighs like 300 pounds.
Yeah.
The quick cupper weighs 580 pounds.
Yeah.
That bucket weighs like 480 pounds. Or no, that bucket weighs like 650 pounds.
I was going to say.
If I just took off the bucket and let's say we put
Oh.
it on my D-ring, it'll lift it up no problem.
Just kind of was, I don't know, it was grabbing it kind of awkward and it still held it, so that's pretty good. Let me try lifting it. Switch the controls over.
It keeps it classy. This is weird. He says it's weird, but I put it on backhoe controls for him. It's that cutting edge. It screws everything up. Yeah, chipper blade. That's what I meant to say. It does it like it's nothing. What? That's a flex right there. Muscles, boys. That's actually really, really cool to see. It's weird when you're lifting a 4,000, 3,500 pound block like that. See if it lifts both.
Just can't quite get
It's
grip.
yeah. There you go. Almost. Okay. It just doesn't want to stick.
I think the bucket's too much open face, and it's not getting.
It's not good. It's not. Yeah.
The bucket.
It's just sliding right off every time.
But it's pretty badass how well it can just throw one of those blocks around.
Yeah.
I told him the video's coming later on the 08 versus this thing, which they're smaller machines, but dude, this is actually like kind of badass how tinted it is in here.
Right?
I don't know. I don't know.
He don't know. He don't know. I'm over here not trying to scratch his blocks, but he doesn't care apparently. Sand it, chuck it, send it down. Oh my God, we're gonna die. I saw the thing slip and I pooped myself just a wee bit. That took a lot for that thing to come up. That's pretty cool. Yeah, sure, it's uphill a little bit, but that's pretty dang cool. That full extension, that's cat pair! Cat pair! Yeah. He doesn't want to admit it, but he's enjoying himself. What do we move? Concrete blocks. How do we move them with a cat? I just felt the floor shake. We're not going for compaction. Oh shit, I don't know. Holy! Do it again, do it again, do it again. That was a perfect land. That was awesome. Whee!
Normally, it's the ones that are made out of like brick. Those crack real easy. Yeah, those like crack moving around. So dropping one like that and it breaking. Crap. Yeah, no, like legitimately, these weigh as much as a damn car.
Fine, you're good.
It's got rebar.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's the only thing saving grace. So when the alien technology comes around, that'll be neat to see how it does. But the 3010, the 310 does not care. Oh, who's this guy? Who's this guy? Get out of here! Get out of here. No, dude, that's like pretty badass.
Yeah.
And then, how far is it? It stuck it out like 20 feet.
You're almost full. You're full stick.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, sure, it's uphill. And then it started to tip over, but
Yeah.
I mean, like when you're stuck out all the way this way, it didn't even really want to tip over.
But how it goes out there and then still had.
Yeah.
Because like you can have the main boom back normally, and then you can stick out a little bit. But if you stick all the way out and then try to do the main boom,
Oh yeah.
that takes some sauce.
Yeah.
Anyway, it's not really a fair comparison because this is obviously the bigger machine. But
Damn it. How much is the other one today?
22.
22. All right,
Nobody
so
knows about that
25.
one. Yeah.
You've been keeping that thing under wraps pretty good.
Backwards controls. Dude, what? Well. Homeboy don't like. Oh God. You're fired.
What?
You're fired.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
You own the machine. You're fired too.
I don't want to hear
Yeah. Making a mess. He doesn't like Sam's Club brand. A key reason why I thought about 310. But so see, boom. Ah.
Well, that went as expected, but then not quite as expected. In the defense of the 310, you notice on the teeth of this particular digging bucket, he has a cutting edge welded to the teeth so you can get a nice smooth finish in the bottom groove of a ditch as you're digging it. And you just pop the pins out like you would to remove the teeth. That hole comes off. You can put your regular digging teeth back on it, but it just had a nice flat surface and couldn't really bite into the blocks. That little bit of extra edge, I mean, it's a sheer, straight, side-to-side grip to pull those two blocks up. 290, honestly, it was surprising that it picked those up as well as it did. Awesome grip strength of that machine. It could lift it straight up, but then that was it. Now, in the case of battling a Cat versus a Takeuchi, this is a 310. It's a completely different machine. It's bigger and pretty much all kinds of levels. You know, you would expect the obvious that we saw in this video, but it's always neat to see what you really get at the end of the day when you step up from a 308 caliber or 290 caliber or 080 and get a 310, because this is quite a bit bigger of a machine and it throws with a single block round without a problem. Went ahead and threw it on my Diamond C trailer just to see, you know, how this whole thing's situated, because it's a pretty heavy machine. I will tell you that much right now. I got, if anybody notices, running my 08 5500. The reason why I'm not running the new one is, well, I'm outfitting the new skirted toolboxes on it, and I've paid the registration on this truck till the end of the year. I would like to continue using it, and it's still a good truck. Nothing wrong with it. Nothing wrong with the new one. And we also filmed a 3500 high output video versus my new cab chassis 5500 video. The results, you'll be very, very surprised, but we'll have to keep you on a cliffhanger for that one. That video should be coming pretty soon. Got new machines in the works, yada yada, all the fun stuff, and it's honestly a blessing that I can make videos like this and share it with you guys, because at the end of the day, you know, we're just doing our thing, having fun, get to document it and share it with you guys, and it's truly awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment below what you guys' thoughts are on how easily this machine can throw around a 3,000 to 4,000 pound block. It has no trouble at all. Maybe one of these days I'll get a clip of the Cabelco, which is a 46,000 pound machine, throwing around a block just for reference. But this machine is a hoss. See you guys later.